Manipur's COVID-19 count has reached 1,260 after 26 fresh cases were confirmed in the last 24 hours. The swab samples were tested positive at the Virus Research and Diagnostic Laboratories of Jawaharlal Nehru Institute of Medical Sciences (JANIMS) Imphal and Regional Institute of Medical Sciences (RIMS) Imphal. The number of active cases of coronavirus now in the state stands at 681, while 579 individuals have recovered and discharged as of today. A spike of more than 19,000 new coronavirus cases and 434 deaths in a single day pushed India's overall case tally to over 6 lakh this morning. Total active cases in India this morning stood at 2,26,947, while 3.5 lakh recoveries recorded, according to updated data by the Union Health Ministry. The death toll climbed to 17,834 after 434 fatalities were recorded in the last 24 hours. Nagaland registered 34 new COVID-19 positive cases today. According to reports, these new cases are among the 226 samples tested on Tuesday. State Health Minister S. Pangnewphom gave the information through his official Twitter handle today. As of today, the total number of COVID-19 positive cases in the state stands at 535. However, there are 353 active cases in the state at present, while a total of 182 persons have been recovered so far. Assam is witnessing a rapid surge in the number of COVID-19 cases. According to a media report, Maniram Dewan Trade Center and IIT in Guwahati campuses will be opened as quarantine centers. An 800-bedded hospital will be inaugurated today at Assam's Khanapara to meet the prevailing requirement. Assam has so far reported a total of 8,895 confirmed cases of COVID-19, with 3,019 active cases and 5,831 individuals have recovered and 12 persons have succumbed to the disease. Manipur Forest and Environment Minister Awangbaw Nyumai flagged off a safe Nambol River boat trip from Thong Nambonbi in Imphal City this morning, jointly organized by All Manipur Working Journalists Union AMJU and Directorate of Environment and Climate Change, Government of Manipur. Speaking on the occasion, Minister Nyumai said that without the support and cooperation of the people residing in the immediate vicinity of the river, all the initiative by the government to save Nambol River will be a waste. The boat trip in Nambol River will cover a distance of 26.49 km, extending up to Yangoi Karong in Bishnupur district. Former MLA R.K. Anand today joined the Bharatiya Janata Party BJP after quitting Northeast India Development Party NEIDP. BJP Manipur Pradesh President Saikhom Tikendra welcomed Anand during a simple function at the party office Kaisapat in Imphal. R.K. Anand is likely to contest the upcoming by-election to Nauria Pakhanglakpa constituency on BJP ticket, sources said. The Nauria seat is vacant following BJP MLA Soibam Subhash Chandra recently resigned from the assembly and the primary membership of the BJP. 14 Uchekon Nongchup Jilla Parishad member Seram Niken inaugurated an RCC footbridge at KHONGMAN Zone 1 in Imphal East, constructed under the State Finance Commission Award 2019-20. Niken on the occasion appealed to the public to set aside all differences when it comes to development. Union Home Minister Amit Shah yesterday declared 9 individuals linked to separatist Khalistani organizations, including 4 based in Pakistan, as designated terrorists under provision of the UAPA Act. As per a media report, a Home Ministry statement said that the individuals include Wadawa Singh Babbar, Chief of Babbar Khalsa International BKI, Lagbir Singh, who heads International Sikh Youth Federation, Ranjit Singh, Chief of Khalistan Zindabad Force KGB, and Paramjit Singh, who leads Khalistan Commando Force, and other key members based in Germany and UK. At least 50 people died today after a landslide at a JADE mine in northern Myanmar trapped workers under a mound of refuse, the country's Fire Service Department and an Information Ministry official said. According to media reports, the Fire Service said that the miners were collecting stones in the JADE Ridge, Pakan area of Kachin State when a muddy wave caused by heavy rain buried them. The rescue process is underway. Deadly landslides and other accidents are common in the poorly regulated mines of Pakan.